Oh, hi, Mark!
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, northeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, northwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia until 7:45 p.m.
It's gonna get stormy in here, bitch!
The severe thunderstorm was located near Warrenton, moving northeast at 35
Come on, stay Sterling,
miles
stay
per
Sterling,
hour.
stay Sterling.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds
Come on,
will
stay
cause
Sterling,
some
stay Sterling.
trees and
Come on.
large branches to fall.
Come on, stay Sterling, stay Sterling.
Danger those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may
Oh,
become
what the
projectiles.
fuck is that, Sterling? Another
Locations
SVR?
affected include
Nice!
South Riding, Brambleton,
Mine.
Haymarket, Arcola, Gainesville, New Baltimore, Catharpin, Wolsey, Airlie, Broad Run, and Broken Hill.
Why is there no Sterling in there, you son of a...
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I swear to God, if I get a doubleheader, Sterling is gonna be on drugs.
Now
Okay,
for
thank
the
God.
National Weather